Hi. I would like to share with you my project, which will the e-commerce store, which will be in the Python language that we will use SQL database. That as you see, the e-commerce store that I have, that which will be responsible for API e-commerce storage, etc. So what is in e-commerce? You have to put your Pythons, the settings, especially the setting will be in the e-commerce. That setting will be responsible for everything. That you need to get the setting file and you have to adjust your root as your URLs, statics, store, which will be the part of your items and the HTML files and the other things that for unit for the web. Here you have to create a web secret key. In this case, I created as a my. In the store, you will find the static, which will be responsible for image, scripts, and the styles. And then the templates will be responsible for your index and products. As you see, the HTML files will be the same as in the web designing that previously we learned, but we have to add this load static and then only in each link like a style sheet, scripts, the image or the HTML files will be in different way. In this case, you have to add the URL, which you will open the bracket and then the percentage logo and URL chart, etc. Here also the product image, product name, like the same image SRC, but the inner things will be different. Then you have to create the views that will be loading, displaying all your thing in the database. The URLs will be connected your path like API endpoints and the other things here, the patterns. As you see here now, correctly loads product.html because I had an issue that my products doesn't load, which was different name. So important is that your products will be in the same name as the URLs. So what is my issue? This was products here. And in my products here, that side was products underscore list because I was thinking about the list. So I put different name that which didn't load. Okay. For these to load, you have to press the window R and type CMD that will give you the terminal. Once you get the terminal, you have to adjust your directory. In my case, my directory was in the D drive. So I hit first D and the semicolon, then I hit enter. Then I put CD, which will be the change directory. Then I copied my file, copy path. Like you go to your file, then you click your things and click the copy path. Once you copy your path, you can put it here. Then you have to type Python manage.py run server. That will start your database server that will show your project in the browser. In my case, I choose my default will be the Chrome. You can use Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari if you're using So as you see, the system identify everything. So if you want to start the server, I mean the server already started. You want to display, click Control, then plus click. Once you click the URL here, it will bring you to a new page. If you want to stop the quit the server, you have to click Control FN pause break or Control B, which will be the break the stop the server. So in that case, I want to load. As you see, the page is loaded in Chrome here. So in Chrome, you can click all your things, which will be responsible for your products and everything. If you got an error, you have to go to your browser, Control Shift R, which will be clear the CAC or other things, or you can clear your CAC going to this file, then you have to erase it if you made the changes. because sometimes if you don't erase the calc files, that will make you face error or issues. So as you see here, my page displays all the products separately from the HTML file. But in this time, you have to run the server. If you stop the server, it will not work anymore. As you see, Control B, Control Shift, Control FN, pause, break. So in this case, my server stopped. So if I reload the page, you cannot reach the site. So that was my second module, which will be second project in web apps using Python and SQL database. Thank you.